Welcome back. Really happy you showed up today. This is the Natural English Channel, your daily English practice. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Oliver. So glad you're here with us. We post a brand new conversation every single day. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now.
And before anything else, let me tell you what's waiting for you today. Because today, we are fixing one of the most common mistakes English learners make when talking about their career and daily life.
And I made this mistake in a very public way recently. So yes, stay with us.
We are talking about job and work, two words that seem identical, that are used constantly, and that confuse learners at every single level.
We're going to compare them directly side by side with real situations. You'll see the most common mistakes, and at the end, there's a quiz with two options to test yourself.
Stay with us. This one will change the way you talk about your career forever.
It really will.
So, Oliver, what happened this week?
Okay, so Lucas called me, and he was excited about something. He said he had found a new work.
Oh,
And I said, "You mean a new job?" And he said, "Isn't it the same thing?" And I said, "I think so." And then we both just moved on. But I spent the whole day wondering if we were both wrong.
two people confusing job and work, and neither one knowing enough to fix it.
Exactly. Lucas said he found a new work. I wasn't sure why it sounded wrong, and now we're here.
And here is exactly where we start. Job and work. Two words, both about what you do professionally, and one clear difference that explains everything. And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Okay, side by side, let's find this difference.
Let's start with job. Job is a countable noun. That means it has a singular and a plural. A job, two jobs, my job, her job. Job refers to a specific position, a role, something you can point to and name. I have a job, she got a new job, he lost his job. The job is a specific thing with a title and a place.
Oh, job is specific, concrete, countable. A job, like a physical object you can hold. I have a job. She got a new job. You can count jobs.
Exactly. And work is an uncountable noun. No article before it, no plural, just work. I have work to do. She goes to work every morning. Work refers to the activity, the effort, the thing you do, not a specific position. It's the concept of working, not a particular role.
Oh, work is the activity, the effort, the concept. Uncountable, no work, no works, just work. I have work to do. She's at work. The activity itself.
And this is why Lucas was wrong. He found a new work wrong because job is the word for a specific position. He found a new job correct, a specific role, countable, a job.
He found a new job, not a new work, because job is the specific position. Work is just the activity of working. You find a job, not a work.
Now, where work is correct, work collocates, goes naturally with many verbs and prepositions. Go to work, start work, finish work, be at work, get to work, hard work, teamwork, homework. The concept of effort and activity is always work, never job.
Go to work, start work, finish work, be at work, all about the activity, the concept, the effort. Never go to job, never start job.
And job is used when you talk about a specific position. Apply for a job, get a job, lose a job, have a job, do a good job, the job interview, the job title. All specific, all countable, all about a particular role.
Apply for a job, get a job, have a job, do a good job, all specific positions or specific pieces of work. Countable, concrete, job.
Now, formality. Both job and work appear at every level, casual and professional. But work tends to show up more in formal and professional context. She has a lot of work to complete. The project requires significant work, more formal, more about the effort and activity.
Work, more formal when talking about effort and activity. She has a lot of work to complete. Professional, clean, precise.
And job is comfortable at every level. I got a new job, casual. The position represents an excellent job opportunity, formal. Job works everywhere.
Job everywhere. Casual, I got a new job. Formal, this is an excellent job opportunity. Always natural.
Now, fixed expressions, because these come up constantly, and you need to learn them whole.
Hit me.
Job well done. A fixed expression praising someone for completing something successfully. You finished the project on time, job well done. Always job, never work well done.
Job well done. Specific piece of work completed successfully. Fixed. Always job, never work well done.
Work in progress means something is not finished yet, still being developed. The new website is a work in progress. Always work, never job.
Work in progress. The activity is ongoing, not finished, still developing. Always work. Fixed.
Out of work means unemployed, not currently having a job. He's been out of work for 3 months. Always work, never out of job. Fixed.
Out of work. Unemployed. No current position. Out of work. Fixed. Always work in this expression.
And do the job means to be effective, to achieve the necessary result. This solution should do the job. Will this tool do the job? Always job, never do the work in this fixed sense.
Do the job. This will work. This will achieve the result. Fixed. Always job in this expression.
These 4, work well done, work in progress, out of work, do the job. Learn them whole. They come up constantly in real conversations.
Work in progress is my favorite because, honestly, I am always a work in progress.
Always. Error check. 3 mistakes that come up most often.
Ready.
She found a new work last month.
She found a new job last month. A specific position. Countable. You find a job, not a work. Job is the word for a particular role or position. Work is the uncountable activity. You can't find a work.
Good. Wrong. I go to job every morning at 8.
I go to work every morning at 8. Fixed expression. Go to work. Always work. You don't go to job. The activity of working, work, not job.
Exactly. Wrong. He has been out of job since January.
He has been out of work since January. Fixed expression. Out of work. Always work. Never out of job. Unemployed. No current position. Out of work.
3 for 3. And before the quiz, one thing. Job and work are 2 of the most used words in English, and getting them right, knowing when to use the specific countable job and when to use the uncountable concept of work, will make your professional English immediately more precise and more natural.
Yeah. And Lucas, you found a new job, not a new work. And I'm so proud of you for finding it, even if neither of us knew the right word at the time.
Quiz time. 2 options. Choose the correct one and tell me why.
Ready.
Situation 1. You want to say you are currently employed. Option 1, I have a work. Option 2, I have a job.
Option 2, I have a job. Specific position, countable, a job. I have a work, wrong. Work is uncountable, no before work. I have a job, correct. Specific role, countable.
Perfect. Situation 2. You want to say you go to your workplace every day. Option 1, I go to job every day. Option 2, I go to work every day.
Option 2, I go to work every day. Fixed expression. Go to work. Always work. Never go to job. The activity of working, uncountable, work.
Good. Situation 3. You want to praise someone for completing something well. Option 1, work well done. Option 2, job well done.
Option 2. Job well done. Fixed expression. Always job. Never work well done. A specific piece of work completed successfully. Job well done.
Exactly. Situation 4. You want to say something is still being developed and isn't finished. Option 1, it's a job in progress. Option 2, it's a work in progress.
Option 2. It's a work in progress. Fixed expression. Always work, never job in progress. The activity is ongoing, not finished. Work in progress.
4 out of 4. Oliver?
You know, job and work have been like two rooms in my vocabulary my whole life, and I kept walking into the wrong one. Job is the specific room. It has a name on the door, a title, a position, something concrete and countable you can point to. I have a job. She got a job. He lost his job. The door has a name.
And work is the whole building, everything that happens inside it. The effort, the activity, the concept of what you do every day. No single door, just the whole place. You go to work, you finish work, you are at work.
The door with a name, job. The whole building, work. And now I will always know whether I'm pointing at a door or describing the building.
The door or the building, and both matter, because the door is what you find and lose and apply for, and the building is where you live so much of your life.
Yeah. And I think that's why work feels bigger than job sometimes. Job is one specific thing. Work is everything. The hours, the effort, the identity, the years.
The years. And wherever you are in your career right now, whether you love your job, whether work feels heavy, whether you're out of work and looking, you are doing something important just by being here, learning, growing, getting better.
Yeah. Every episode is work, and every lesson is a job well done.
Job well done. Always. Come back to this review and say these phrases out loud with us. I have a job. I go to work. Job well done. Work in progress. Say them until they feel completely automatic. That is how language becomes truly yours.
And if there's a word or expression in English that has been confusing you, leave it in the comments below. Your questions are literally how we choose what to talk about next.
We read every single one. Seriously, leave it down there. Your confusion today is our next episode.
And go watch our last video where we talked about literally and totally, two words that are also about emphasis and precision, just like job and work. The link is in the description.
And if this helped you today, please like and subscribe. It helps more people find us, and it tells us to keep making episodes like this every single day.
And share this with someone who has been saying a new work their whole life. Send them this, the door and the building. Everything fixed.
See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye. And Lucas, job well done finding that new job, even if you called it a work.
See you all.